ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern joined just now with kind of a mixed market on Wall Street today.
A little bit of something for everybody. Interest rates went up, the Dow moved down, NASDAQ moved up, the S&P moved down. A veritable potpourri of something or other. Had to say that word anyway. Well, what's going on? What's going on is kind of everybody's on hold for tomorrow. And what's happening tomorrow? Well, the Federal Reserve Board is having its two-day meeting today and tomorrow. The expectation when they announce their change in interest rates tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock is just that rates will, in all likelihood, go up by 0.25%. Wall Street's reaction will probably be a non-reaction because that's what everybody is expecting. Only when they do something we don't expect will you see a major reaction. So let's see the mixed market we talked about for today. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, it was down almost 70 points, 0.25% at 26,492.21. That on volume of 744 million shares. The NASDAQ moved higher today after being down yesterday, up 14 points. Almost 0.2% at 8,007.47. That on volume of 1,809,000,000 shares. And as I said, the S&P moved lower, not by a lot, down less than 4 points, just 0.1% at 2,915.56. Inspire Brands, that's a name you're not familiar with because guess what? It's a private equity firm, but they own Arby's, and if you recall, in February of this year, what did they do? Well, they went out and bought Buffalo Wild Wings. So now that they have Buffalo Wild Wings, what did they announce today? Now they are buying Sonic. Yes, indeed, they're buying Sonic for a really big price, $2.3 billion. That's a 20% increase over the price that the Sonic stock was selling for just yesterday. So obviously they wanted to buy it, and they're putting together a conglomerate of restaurants. Arby's, Buffalo Wild Wings, and Sonic. There's a pair to draw to. Altogether, they will have more than 8,000 restaurants. And I don't know about everybody else, but when I think of Sonic, I think of people on roller skates getting you a milkshake. But I guess they do a lot of hamburger business as well.
Interesting. Well, another big company as far as food chains go, Dunkin' Donuts. Some news for us tonight on that.
I was wondering, maybe I should be doing this on the Food Network. I'm not sure. Dunkin' Donuts announced today that effective January 1, their name will be Dunkin', period. No donuts. They'll probably still sell donuts, but the name will be Dunkin', period.
Interesting.
Selling more than donuts now.
Yeah, absolutely. That's why.
Yeah. Okay. Richard, thank you.
You're very welcome.